I don't really know what to say at this point. It feels weird. Today marks the end of an era. We are here back at our parents' house, the house that both of us grew up at, and we are here to destroy the fort in the woods. We are. That sounds so like horrible. But we are. Our parents are moving. They are building a new house. So they've got to put this one up on the market. And this fort is, I mean, it's been standing here for 15 years. We moved away. It's got to go for a couple reasons. One, it's not exactly safe anymore. The walls are, as you saw in the. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Anyway, it's not exactly safe anymore. As you saw in the intro, one of the walls has just completely fallen over. So yeah, we need to get started. And so what we're gonna be doing, we're just gonna be walking around a wall at a time. We're gonna be cutting down the vertical sticks and just making a pile of stuff, getting ready to burn, and then we'll come around and cut all the horizontal beams and slowly start knocking down these mostly rotten towers, and just, a piece at a time, start disassembling it. And it's just gonna be bit of a process, just knock it down a little bit at a time. We're gonna get the rest of the family down here. We're gonna get started. That is very rotten.
Working really well.
Huh.
Oh, sorry.
Wow. Got mush in my boots. I'm cutting this wall apart. He's like, oh, you thought it was cute? I'll say it again.
What'd you say, Theodore?
What you doing, Isaac?
What you doing, Isaac?
What you doing, Isaac?
I'm cutting this wall apart. Don't worry, it's just...
No. And look, I still have one more match.
So some of the cedar from this wall is still good. We're gonna actually set it to the side and use it on the new fort. There's no reason to waste it, and it's kind of neat to have some of the old fort in the new one.
These are both good, I think. That's so rotten. It's crazy.
Wow, that's heavy.
Look at this. This has been here for 10 years. And look,
Yeah.
that's still perfectly good wood. That's amazing. This is cedar that has aged out. This is done. That's a,
So why is it aged out?
well, it just, you can see the tree, like, the wood surface used to probably be all the way out to here. The softwood has gotten eaten away.
Yeah, it's going into the middle. It started cracking and everything. It was sad because it was so nice.
I got this from a construction site with permission when we were building this, and one of our friends put his initials with the date. So this says ME06. So it's been quite a while. I'm too weak. I got it. It just needs to be loosened some more. Look, it's easy now. Look, it's easy.
Well done. Good job.
Can you cut that so it looks like I just pulled it out in one try?
Sure.
This was our door. This is an old cable reel. We had a track and this would roll into place. Very, very cool, but it's a little rotten now.
I didn't even notice it.
It's crazy. What about here?
Okay.
Yeah, that's insane.
A little bit rotten.
A little bit. Look how the rope wore its way into this wood.
And I just kept it up for a while. And then I had the circle forehead, so that's why I grew it back out to the length I did.
You don't want to typically do this with an axe, like driving nails, but this isn't very hard. You'll bend the eye up to like the axe around the shaft.
That's all the walls knocked down.
Yeah, it is. That's amazing. Yeah, we just got that.
We just got that one.
That was the post office. That never was used.
So pretty much just this one wall that's made up of the longhouse and then that tower. These are actually wire. Holding this up. It's not that strap. It's like metal wire. That's very rotten. As you can see, we just used whatever we could get our hands on. That's good cedar. Watch out. Down months ago. This is not. It's not working.
Watch on.
That's nails in that. I'm gonna try to like get it to flip and like come down on top of it. You ready? Yeah, ready. Ah!
My turn.
Watch out. No. Good job. Use the spike ball. It's like a giant orc weapon. Father orc.
It's Father Orc.
Not Father Fort. It's a Father orc.
Father Orc.
Ready.
Ready?
Ready.
Okay, I'm gonna try one more time because I got a new. Oh, and then you want? It's your turn.
No, you can give one more try.
Because he's like, you're not gonna get it.
Oh no. This is not a good idea. I do too. Oh, look at that! Nice. Wow.
I'm sorry, Jacob.
I don't get to try now.
Here, I'm gonna put it back up for Jacob.
No,
No, watch.
I can do these. I'll do these up here.
So watch.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, he's actually gonna make it so I can try this. Look at him.
Wow, you can't even knock it. Yeah!
Oh yeah. Come stand on the pallet. Oh, you're battering me. Yeah. Get it. Yeah. I'll take this end. You take that end.
Ready?
Go.
Right, go.
Yeah.
We should have had Dad just come out here and do this. In all seriousness, we are kind of sad to see the fort going. So, I mean, we don't want to get too silly, but. Well, I think we're a couple seconds away from the longhouse catching on fire. There's smoke emanating from this black rubber base. We got to get it off now. Yeah, wow, well, here goes the longhouse. No, it's fine. It wasn't that hard.
You want to pull this plastic off over here?
Everything, just get it all off now.
Careful with yourself. That's still pretty tough. There we go. Yeah, that's
okay.
That's kind of cool.
yeah.
All right, here, Dad, come on out of there. I'm just gonna push it this way.
What it's gonna do with me in it?
No.
think it's gonna come down really. Very cool. Stop. Hang on. Wake up. It's time for school. What? Isaac, don't waste your wasted TikTok opportunities.
Is he throwing it again?
I think so.
Okay, I'm gonna punch a hole through it.
All the credit for you.
Yes, that's all mine.
Wait, I want one.
You want one? Here goes Isaac.
Oh no.
Yes!
What?
I want to see what it looks like.